Well, I'd like to welcome everybody to the grand opening of what we're calling the Sylvan and 30 Lab Store. Why is it special? Because we're testing a whole bunch of stuff. We're testing stuff that customers told us they wanted. So we're very, very excited about this store. We are so honored to have Antoine here with us, Rowdy, the cheerleaders from the Cowboys. Thank you for joining us. And let's get this party started. Let's have Antoine cut the ribbon.
All right, here we go.
All right. Welcome and enjoy the store, folks.
I think it's fantastic. I think they did a lot of cool stuff with the store. It looks pretty innovative. It looks like they've actually listened to their consumers. They've really built a nice experience around here. People want to come and they want to stay. They actually want to utilize the products. They want to interact with all the guests and everybody else. It just seems like it's an overall better experience.
It's beautiful. It's one of the most amazing concepts I ever seen. I think they all should convert into this concept, in my opinion.
It's more welcoming and where you can just sit down, have a coffee, check your emails. I mean, you don't really see that at other gas stations, people chilling or, you know.
The little electronic box is a nice touch, and the coffee is super fresh. All the little stations seem to be kind of catering to like my kind of demographic, so I like that.
I think all of them should be recreated in this nature. I think that will get more business. I mainly go over to the taco place, and then I love the ice cream. Oh my God, have you had the ice cream? I love the ice cream and the tea. Those are my favorites.
I'm blown away by the selection of stuff. It's definitely not what you would expect to see at a typical convenience store. Like, I buy bath stuff now.
It feels like instead of coming into a 7-Eleven, I went into like a section of Whole Foods.
I walked in and I was surprised how many people are in here, more than there used to be. It's very clean, very nice. I think it's definitely an improvement for the neighborhood.
It feels like if Whole Foods had a gas station, it kind of feels like that. I just went over to that section over there where they've got the little restaurant and they've got a salsa bar, and yeah, it feels like somewhere where you could actually spend time as opposed to just getting in and out.
I feel like I'm at a grocery store, to be honest with you. I mean, I got everything I need right here, and luckily I stay right down the street, so, you know, I don't have to go to Walmart no more, so I'm living here now.